Good afternoon, dear members of the jury and participants of the APCYS-2021 conference. My name is Vitaly Kyrelov. I am high school final year student and a member of the Sakha Junior Science Academy. I would like to present my research project on the physical and mechanical characteristics of novel building material based on the solid form. As you may know of the ways to improve the quality of concrete is its use additive with lower water absorption. In my study, I use granular foam zeolite as a lower water absorption additive. To do this, I studied first physical and mechanical properties of granular foam zeolite. Second, calculate the optimal composition of light concrete using granular foam zeolite as an additive with low water absorption. Third, made prototypes of different additive ration compositions and studied them. I made 6 prototypes with different composition of cube form with the size 100, 100, 100 millimeters. I examined these cups density, water absorption, the thermal conductivity, stress limits, frost resistance, and flammability. All samples were tested in a certified laboratory at the MOS of Northeastern Federal University. According to laboratory tests, experimental samples meet the requirements of the Russian state standards for building material of the light concrete class technical conditions. In conclusion, I want to say that samples 4 and 6 had the lowest coefficients of thermal conductivity, low density, and therefore are economically profitable and environmentally friendly materials with a long service life, estimated to be more than 100 years.